Back to Western New York. Living as a homeowner, I know that spending weekends around your house working on the curb appeal comes very tiresome. Plus, I still have some more golf to play. So if you're looking to update your house's curb appeal in a very easy way, my next guest could help. Join us this morning from Ivy Lea Construction, our good friend Mike Washington. It's still golf season.
It's still golf season. We have a little more to go.
All right, yeah, so I don't want to work on my house. I want you to do it. All right, let's talk about siding.
Yeah, curb appeal you mentioned, that's a huge piece of the siding. Siding you see a ton of, no matter what type of house you have, that's really one of the things you'll definitely see from the curb. And then, okay, what products do you need in your house, and then what colors ultimately, and what styles?
Yeah, it makes the house pop too, along with the shingles, right? Not the shingles, what are they?
Siding.
No, the stuff around the window.
Oh, all the trim.
The trim, okay, yes. See,
Absolutely.
that's why you're here. I don't know what the stuff's called. All right, let's talk about vinyl siding and what that offers the homeowner.
Absolutely. So vinyl siding today comes in so many different options, different colors. There's probably about 10 to 20 different colors in each product line, which adds up to probably 200 different colors to choose from today. From cedar shake siding, which is all vinyl still, it really looks like real cedar shake, all the way to a double 4, to a double 5, a double 4.5 Dutch lap. So there's several different styles, and then also underneath the siding we really want to talk about. That's really when the time to really take a look at insulation levels, and also how is the weatherproofing underneath your siding. All vinyl siding that you put in a house, water gets behind it. The idea is you get that stripped all the way down to the sheeting, inspect the sheeting, so when you're attaching your new siding to the house, it's proper. And then the drainage plan has to be proper too.
All right, yeah, also look at that trim, by the way, that's great. The protection vinyl siding offers for your home after you tear everything off, right, and inspect everything underneath. Talk about the protection that vinyl siding is going to offer. Yeah,
vinyl siding, it's going to be insect proof. It's also going to be, it's the best product out there that we've seen to take care of all of the elements that we have here, from the hot summer sunny days all the way down to the freezing cold winter. It has expansion contraction to it, so it can expand with the different changes of the seasons here. And then ultimately, how that is installed, and as long as it's installed properly, you will never have a problem with it.
All right, and it's not just beige. I mean, there's all these great options.
It used to be. It used to be a lot of tans. Today, there are so many dark colors. They've really got to a good system. The Massic product they install actually has a double lifetime warranty. So you install that on your home. Once you sell your home, it will also transfer over to the next homeowner. So the warranties are fantastic. They cover everything on the house. It's a really great product.
The process, you guys do it right. How long does it take? So from estimate when the job starts, like, is it a couple days, a week? How long is the construction take?
Yeah, it really depends on the size of your house, how many squares you're dealing with, and then also the type of trim products we're using. So it could be 2 to 4 weeks. Some projects do get a little longer depending on how big and then how high also. So the trim that we use is we wrap most of our windows and our doors are going to be an aluminum trim. It has a PVC coating. That comes in like 1,600 different colors. Or you can get Versatex trim, which is a composite trim that can go around all the windows and doors. Again, insect proof. That comes in white, but it can be painted any color to match your home.
It can make your house look better. It's going to protect it. Let's save some people some money.
Absolutely. So we have some 0% financing for 24 months right now. We have some 4.99% financing. There's always specials on our webpage. There's always specials on our Facebook page. We can definitely help you save some money and also finance that project if you need the help.
All right, great stuff from Mike as always. Ivy Lea Construction, it's the most trusted name in home improvement. They can help with all of your home improvement exterior and interior needs. To find out more about all the services they offer, head to their website at ivyleaconstruction.com. You can give them a call, 875-8654. You see right now, $700 off your next home improvement project, or take advantage of that 24 months, 0% interest. Great offers from Ivy Lea Construction. Now coming up.